One of the nicknames for copper is Dr. Copper, due to the ability of the asset to diagnose the health of the global economy. Copper is a key commodity used in expanding and growing economies, so copper demands tend to bode well for global economic health. Now, at the moment, there are some pretty mixed global signals. The last US jobs data was very good, well above market's maximum expectations for the headline jobs gain print, but the last US New York Empire Manufacturing Index print was a massive surprise at minus 31.3 with some pretty negative data points under the hood. The People's Bank of China cut interest rates on Monday, which should be stimulating for the economy, and yet the retail sales print showed a 2.7% miss, well below the minimum expected of 4%. So these mixed global signals mean that the outlook for global health is somewhat uncertain. However, will Dr. Copper move higher over the coming weeks? Will copper be able to put in its usual seasonal gains? Or if global sentiment suddenly shifts more clearly and definitively positive, then could copper be a good commodity to buy in line with that outlook? There's a lot of uncertainties in the market at the moment, but copper does have some seasonal strength around now between the 16th of August and the 14th of October. You can see that copper has gained a total of 7 times and only lost value 3 times. The maximum gain has been nearly 10% and the average return has been 3.31%. So don't forget, and you can analyze these charts for yourself by going to seasonx.com, and you can get a no strings attached 3-day free trial, and you can look at all sorts of different commodities, currencies, stocks, even sectors that you can look for a seasonal pattern that might interest you. Major trade risks. One of the major trade risks for this outlook is that global growth may suddenly show signs of a slowdown and risk assets can quickly fall. Remember, bull markets take the stairs, they tend to gradually climb, but bear markets take the elevator and can quickly fall. So there are some significant risks to copper's typical seasonal pattern at this time of the year. Remember, don't just trade it, season exit.